Imagine that you can make 75% commission on a product sold at $100 through links you post. You'd be making $75 by just copy-pasting links. In other words, you're making money from people clicking on links that you copy-pasted into a website. Welcome to Internet Money, where I'm going to teach you how to make money by copying and pasting links. This method involves ClickBank. This e-commerce platform has a library of over 4,000 unique products that reach over 200 million customers around the world. It connects over 6 million digital content creators and affiliate marketers, who then promote them to consumers. Also, ClickBank has a revenue of over $250 million every year. Therefore, there's lots of money to be made. Firstly, the platform functions with an affiliate network, making it easy for its registered users to increase their visibility and promote their links and more to more consumers. These are the two best ways to make money using ClickBank. The first way is to create your own products and list them. The second way is to list other people's products, and you get paid a commission from each sale. This method is recommended for those of you who want to make some quick cash. You can get paid up to 75% commission. So from one $100 sale, you can make up to $75 from selling someone else's product. Pros and cons of ClickBank. I really like ClickBank, and I think it's a fantastic place for new affiliate marketers to get started and earn money online without the hassle of more advanced affiliate networks. There's no maximum. You don't need to be approved for 90% of the offers, and you can start selling straight away. Trust me, that's a huge plus when you get started and have no track record to show to these big affiliate networks. Here is a short list of the pros and cons of the platform. Pros. Highly paid offers. 75% commission is common. You can sell in most countries. Several recurring offers to sell for ongoing income. Takes the tech out of the way. Cons. Lots of low-quality products and sales pages. Lots of competition on popular products. Hard to tell what does well without investing traffic. High costs associated to the e-commerce platform. Key takeaways. ClickBank is both a marketplace for affiliates and an e-commerce platform for digital content creators. As a content owner, you can add your products to ClickBank's database, and they will manage the sale and checkout process, as well as making it visible to their network of affiliate marketers. It's free to join as an affiliate marketer on ClickBank. There's no screening process, and you can start making the links and driving traffic to as many products as you'd like immediately. Selling your own products on ClickBank. ClickBank makes it easy to promote your digital goods and services. You'll be charged a $49.95 one-time activation fee for becoming a seller on the service. After you've signed up as a vendor, you'll list your products. Then you'll set the commission percentage you are willing to pay to anyone who chooses to market and promote your product for you. Once your product is listed, other ClickBank users will start promoting it on their own websites. This will drive traffic to the sales page on your website and result in sales. ClickBank is a tool for generating leads. If you're selling a product on ClickBank, it's a good idea to make sure that your landing page, the destination all your affiliates are sending traffic to, is user-friendly, sales-oriented, and has a clear call to action. Otherwise, visitors will simply click through and then navigate away from your website. While this will result in traffic to your website, it won't generate any revenue for you. It may be better to view ClickBank as a tool for generating leads, because you may not sell 100,000 copies of your ebook immediately. ClickBank can act as a path to drive visitors to your website so they can sign up for your newsletter. Once they've signed up for your newsletter, you have an infinite amount of opportunities to market to them, rather than just one opportunity. Before I discuss the best way to make money through ClickBank, like and subscribe to support the channel and to get more online money-making methods. Selling other people's products on ClickBank. In addition to selling your own products on ClickBank, you can also act as an affiliate. That is, market products listed by other vendors. As soon as you sign up to become an affiliate on ClickBank, you can browse the different products available for you to sell. ClickBank has over 4,000 unique products listed on the platform. It may be helpful to narrow down your search by filtering for product type and your commission percentage. It's important to thoroughly review a vendor's sales page before committing to promoting their product. They may be offering a 75% commission rate, But if their website doesn't appear trustworthy, you won't be in a position to generate sales regardless of how much traffic you drive to their website. Unlike traditional affiliate platforms, ClickBank is a marketplace for both people who create content and for affiliate marketers. Picking a selling product. One of the best ways to make money with ClickBank is to start as an affiliate, promoting pages that have already been optimized in order to build your sales funnels. Much like keyword research for SEO, picking the right product to promote on ClickBank is extremely important. No matter how good you are at promoting, if you drive traffic to a sales page that doesn't sell, you will not be making much money. Marketing ClickBank products. To begin with, you should have a website that contains other affiliate offers similar to the ClickBank products that you want to promote. If you don't have a website, WordPress offers a free version of its content management system, CMS, that you can use to begin publishing articles immediately. You can use your articles to get the attention of readers and then present your ClickBank affiliate offer somewhere within an article. You can also develop a newsletter and use it to promote your ClickBank offers to your audience as often as possible. Building a fan page on Facebook is also an option since most audiences are on the social media platform too. You can populate your Facebook page with content that links to your website and use it to drive traffic to your website. Another way you can share content is to use other content distribution networks such as Taboola or Outbrain. Drive traffic to your website. The more traffic there is to your website, the more money you have the potential to make with ClickBank. To maximize your traffic, you should spend some time identifying keywords that are commonly searched for that relate to the product you plan to sell. If you create articles and other content based on those keywords, you can often get some traffic from search engines, especially if you target long-tail keyword phrases. Long-tail keyword phrases are longer and more specific search phrases, rather than one or two words. For example, if you were planning to promote an online poker course, you might do some keyword research and decide that the term online poker course has too much competition from existing websites. However, an article based on answering the question, when to push during a sit and go, doesn't have as much competition and may yield more traffic. Optimize your website and capture visitor information. Whether you're promoting your own products or someone else's content, the most important thing is to make sure that your website is functional and error-free. You also want to begin capturing the information of people who visit your website as soon as possible. One way to do this is to offer a newsletter. Publish regularly can help you build a dedicated audience to market all of your offers in the future. Now that you've built the initial funnel, let's run it for a little bit. Perhaps start building a second one and after a while, decide if it's worth spending more time on it. If it's making some sales and you want to expand it, all you need to do is pick one area and expand it. These include creating more SEO content around more keywords related to the products you're selling, link building your existing content to improve its rankings, using paid social to grow the traffic to your content, expanding your autoresponder from 3 to 12 to 15 emails to increase sales, A/B test your pop-up and opt-ins to increase the opt-in rate. Thank you for watching Internet Money. If you want more easy money-making methods like the one described here, then like and subscribe.